Hey everybody, so just sitting here kind of working on my latest vlog, hanging out. Getting kind of hungry, so I think what we're actually going to do, is we're going to order some pizza. Getting pretty hungry. I think I'm going to go make a couple of guys at Domino's laugh, and go pick up the pizza on the motorcycle.
Thank you for choosing Domino's. This is Abigail. How can I help you?
Oh yes, hi, I'd like to place a pickup order for a small cheese pizza.
It's going to come to 771 and it should be ready to pick up in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Awesome, thanks.
Alright, thank you. You have a great night.
You too, bye. Alright guys, so I'm just going to throw the camera on the charger because we're a little bit low on battery, and then we'll go take off on the bike and see if we can make some people laugh. Man, oh man, is it just gross out right now. It's terrible. I came out with the bike and everything fogged up on the bike. You know, the windscreen, the cluster, the phone, mirror, the entire bike was just covered in just a layer of just condensation. It was just so humid. It's gross. Absolutely gross. So you're probably wondering why would you take your bike to go pick up a pizza? You know, that doesn't really seem smart or safe. Well, you know, because it's funny, that's why. I just figured it'd be pretty funny to show up with a motorcycle and be like, yeah, I'm here to pick up my pizza. They'd be like, how are you getting that back? Because you don't have one of those little pizza carriers like the mopeds do. But I did bring just a little hand towel, just because I don't want a nasty, greasy pizza on my nice paint, even though it's all jacked up here from the previous owner, overfilling it with gas. No point doing any more damage, you know what I mean? So, brought a little hand towel with me. It's tucked in the crotchal region, and lay that down, lay the pizza on, and I'm just gonna ride with that. So it's possible. I would figure pizza is a heck of a lot easier than milkshakes, but I've never done it yet. So this will be the first. You are witnessing history. All right, we are here. How's it going? Alright, so I got the hand towel I stole from the bathroom. Don't tell my roommate. I got the pizza. She kind of looked at me a little bit funny. She really didn't say anything though. So, whatever. I was kind of hoping for a little bit more reaction, but that's okay. I'm sure I'll get a reaction out of you guys. One being, why did you get Domino's? Well, trust me, it's not my first choice. It's very limited selection down here. Everywhere down here has thin crust except for Domino's, or maybe there's a place that I don't know of that's local, but for the most part everywhere that I've found is all thin crust. And don't get me wrong, I like thin crust, but it gets boring after a while. I'm from up in Massachusetts, where like there's not a whole lot of thin crust. We usually have like medium crust. I don't know what the exact word for it is, but it's like somewhat thick crust, but it's not like Chicago deep dish, you know what I mean? Alright, so off to deliver a pizza now. This is how Ducati kid pays for his bike. Pizza deliveries. Only kidding. Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, the only place around here that doesn't do thin crust that I've found is Domino's, so that's just kind of my go-to, and it's close and it's simple. But trust me guys, this is by far not my first choice if it comes to pizza. Not to knock Domino's or anything like that, but it's just, I prefer like mom and pop shops when it comes to pizza, and I have a few back home that I like to go to whenever I go back home to visit. So I got my Italian bike and my wicked Italian pizza right here. Domino's is wicked Italian. it's not, I'm sure, I really doubt it's Italian. The only Italian thing about this pizza is that it's pizza. Yeah, so I got my Italian, my pizza, and my Italian motorcycle. One of them's a masterpiece, the other one is, it's edible, let's just put it that way. I wouldn't call it a masterpiece by any means. Oh man, probably gonna get some Domino's lover, be like, I'm done watching your videos because you hated on Domino's pizza. Alright man, if that's how you want to do it, go right ahead. Not gonna hurt my feelings. The fastest a pizza has ever traveled on a motorcycle. Pizza! Oh, this takes a special level of stupidity. I mean skill. And what are we doing here? There you go. Good job. We made it! Ta-da! Alright guys, I appreciate you watching. I hope you found this funny, even though it was kind of short and stupid. It's kind of funny, so thank you all for watching. If you thought it was funny, hit that like button, subscribe for more of future funny motovlogs. Thank you all so much for joining. Ride safe.